Interface has been a trusted partner in the automotive industry for over 5 decades, providing load cell solutions that have revolutionized force and torque measurement. Our sensor technology, instrumentation, and accessories are indispensable tools utilized throughout the entire design and manufacturing process and are essential to manufacturing and production of automotive vehicles. From testing engines and exterior bodies to evaluating tires, batteries, and fuel pumps, automotive professionals rely on Interface to deliver precise and reliable measurements that drive innovation and ensure superior quality in the industry. Interface is a leading provider of cutting-edge load cell technology tailored for the automotive industry. Our load cells offer unmatched precision, reliability, and versatility, making them the ideal choice for various automotive applications. Engineered to withstand harsh environments, providing durable and long-lasting performance, we empower automotive engineers to optimize vehicle dynamics, enhance safety, and deliver exceptional driving experiences. Trust Interface to provide and commit to the industry-leading load cell solutions that drive automotive excellence.